Imagine if you could turn any text into a talking avatar that can speak in different accents, like this one.
Every obstacle is a chance to show your strength and determination. Let nothing deter you from your destined greatness.
That too for free and with no coding or design skills. Well, you don't have to imagine anymore because in this video, we'll teach you how to create your own AI talking avatar for free using a simple and easy to use website. Don't go anywhere because this video is for you. Step number 1, image generation. So to get started, head over to Leonardo AI and you can find the links in the video description. After creating a free account, click on Image Generation. Next, type in provide an image that shows the solemn expression of a South Korean martial arts master and adjust the image ratio to 9:16. If the results aren't quite up to your expectations, just give it another go. Try elaborating the command prompt and keep regenerating until you find the perfect fit for your video. Once you're happy with the image, just download it and you're good to go. And if you want a detailed tutorial on how to be creative with Leonardo AI, you can also find a link to the tutorial video in the description. Step number 2, uncrop image. Now you can see the image size is a bit small, so head to your browser and search for Uncrop AI. Visit the first website, ClipDrop. Once you're in, upload your image and follow the steps carefully. Adjust the sidebar and increase the upper section of the image. Once that's done, hit the next button. Wait for the results, and if you're satisfied with the size, go ahead and download the image. Step number 3, generate script. Now you will need a script for your talking AI avatar, and the best yet free tool is ChatGPT. Once you're in there, it's all about crafting a detailed prompt to get the perfect script that meets your needs. Now, here's something to keep in mind. Typical speaking rates are around 130 to 160 words per minute, so aiming for around 400 words should give you about 3 minutes of script. However, ChatGPT isn't exactly a math wizard, so prompting by word count instead of time count is your best bet. In our case, we will be using this detailed prompt. Generate a 400-word script for a South Korean martial arts master avatar who's all about teaching Hapkido, a traditional Korean martial art. The script should be all about self-defense moves like joint locks, throws, and strikes. Make sure each move is described in detail, and he's not just dishing out physical skills. He's all about the philosophical side of martial arts, preaching about discipline, respect, and inner strength. Just keep in mind to keep the prompt detailed, specific, and flavorful to get the script that's tailor-made for your needs, because the more you put in, the more you'll get out of it. Step number 4, talking AI generation. Here comes the main step. Head over to app.talkingheads.com, no account needed. Hit that Generate Talking Heads button. Choose Upload Your Own Photo and select our freshly uncropped image. Then press the Next Step button. Here you've got options like adding video effects, AI text-to-speech, or uploading your own audio. We're going for the audio option. For that, we will use 11 Labs audio because we need that professional touch. So head to 11labs.io, paste that generated script, generate your audio file, and download it. Now, let's go back to the Talking Heads tab and upload your audio. Then click Next Step, choose the default avatar, and hit Generate Talking Heads. Once you get it, download the file. Keep in mind that sometimes the avatar doesn't pick the entire audio clip, so you might have to generate multiple videos and clip them together to finish your script. Now it's time to tackle a couple of issues: low video quality and the watermark. Improve quality. Let's start by heading to Google and searching for vMake Video Enhancer. It's the first one in the search results. Once you've found the website, create a free account and upload your low-quality video. Then brace yourself for the magic. This tool works wonders by enhancing your video to a crisp, high-quality masterpiece. Once it's done its thing, be sure to grab that improved video by hitting that download button. Step number 5, removing watermark. Time to tackle that watermark problem. Just go for any video editing software on your mobile or PC. Upload that enhanced video, cut out the watermark, and hit download. Before you know it, that pesky watermark will be history. So there you have it, your very own AI talking avatar. If you enjoyed this, remember to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more exciting content. Until next time.